Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is Fuzzy Identity Based Data Integrity Auditing for Reliable Cloud Storage System. Our project abstract: Fuzzy Identity Based Auditing is secure data auditing between the data owner and the cloud. The key generation center is used for the secure auditing. Fuzzy Identity Based Data Auditing is the user identity can viewed as a set of descriptive attributes, the system model and the security model for this new primitive. Fuzzy identity-based auditing protocol by utilizing biometrics as the fuzzy identity. It binds with a private key to one identity which can use to verify the correctness of the response generated with the another identity. The key generation center manages the private and public key to the data owner and the cloud server. The secret key from the KGC, the cloud user is able to pre-process the file by generating the metadata of the file, upload the files together with the metadata to the cloud, and KCG manipulate the private and public key to the server and data owner. Data owner get the key from the KGC and send to the cloud server. And cloud server verify all the key from the user and KGC and receive file from the data owner. And data owner get the permission to the cloud server and upload the files. And going to download the files means cloud server verify the data owner and send to the file to the correct data owner. Our project flow diagram. In this project, we are developing a fuzzy auditing based secure data storage from the cloud user and cloud server. We use the key generation center for the secure data auditing. First, the cloud user register and login process. All the data will be stored into the cloud server. Next, the cloud user log into the server, get a request to key generation center. The cloud user send request to key generation center based on the signature. The user enter the signature and send to the key generation center. The key generation center receive the signature and generate the public key for the signature. And the same key will be sent to the cloud user and the cloud server. The cloud user request to cloud server. In the cloud server, verify the key from the key generation center and cloud user. The key will be same means send a permission to the cloud user. The cloud user get a permission and upload the file. Upload the files means the cloud server receive the file and generate the private key and encrypt the file based on the user files. And next, the user going to download the file means send a request to the server and server receive the file and send the private key and the file. Correct user can receive all the key and the file and decrypt the file and view the files. This process is based on the key generation and key manipulation of the private and public key to the key generation center. Let's see the demo of our project. First, run the home file. Our project demo is started. Enter to the project. These are user registration for the cloud. Okay, these all the fields are hidden. Now we are going to choose the new user. It will be opened here. Okay, now we are going to enter the username and password and enter the mobile number. Okay, I entered the valid mail. We use the mobile and mail verification for this project, and the valid mail format will be accepted here. Okay, and register successfully. Now we are going to log into the cloud server. Okay, login success. This is our user file upload. Suppose user want to download the file means we check the downloader file. Okay, first we are going to upload the signature value. Enter the signature value. Enter the hello and send signature. This is our key generator. Okay, key generator going to get a signature. This is signature for users entered here. Okay, generate the key for the file. Okay, the key will be generated based on the user signature and sent to the user and get public key. This is our public key. Okay, this this is sent to storage. The storage is nothing but our cloud storage. DPA1 is the cloud storage for the file upload. I'm going to signature key, and next the user going to get a permission for the send key. Okay, and the cloud user receive the key and verify the key. The key will be matched. Okay, they send the permission. Okay, suppose here no uploader, no file chooser and no file upload will be hidden here. Okay, get permission. The permission will be accepted here. Okay, and choose a file. Going to choose a file from our system. Okay, this is our file.txt. Any files we are going to choose. Okay, I'm going to choose the dataset or file.txt. Open. Okay, this is our file. Upload the file, and next we are going to generate the private key for the file and receive the file. Okay, this is our acknowledgement file sent. Okay, this is a file received. Okay, I'm going to encrypt the file. This is a file encrypted mode will be stored here. The cloud server encrypt the file and store to the cloud server. Already be done in the upload process. Now the user going to download the process using the download of the file. Okay, this is our download process. Okay, choose a file. First user going to choose a file. These files are uploaded file. And okay, choose last time we were choosing the file for a text and send request. Okay, next you are going to run the cloud server. The cloud server going to receive the request. Okay, the cloud server going to check the file not or not. Okay, the file will be not uploaded here means the private key will be the empty, and suppose we get the private key means this already we file will be uploaded. Okay, send the file, receive the key. Okay, the key will be received here and decrypt the file. The file will be decrypted. Okay, now we are going to view the downloaded file. Okay, this is our downloaded file for this process. Okay, this is our file with the uploader here. Okay, the file will be decrypted and downloaded here for the downloading folder. Our project demo is completed. Thank you for listening.